Welcome to my review of Ipsos I Say. If you've been looking for a survey site that offers rewards for your opinions, you've probably come across Ipsos I Say. In this video, I'm going to give you a detailed breakdown of my experience with the platform, what it's like to use it, and whether it's really worth your time. First, let's talk about getting started with Ipsos I Say. The sign-up process is fairly straightforward. You just need to provide some basic personal information, and then you can start taking surveys. It's free to join, which is always a good thing. However, one thing I immediately noticed is that the site asks for a lot of personal information to tailor surveys to you. While this might sound like a positive, it can also be a little off-putting for those who are concerned about privacy. Once you're in, you'll get access to surveys that match your profile. Now, here's where it gets a bit tricky. The surveys can sometimes be long, and the rewards don't always seem to match the time you spend. You earn points for each survey you complete, but you need quite a few points before you can actually redeem them for rewards. The payout thresholds can be somewhat high compared to other survey sites, which is something to keep in mind if you're looking for quick returns. But what about the rewards? Ipsos I Say offers a variety of gift cards and cash payouts, but the options can sometimes feel a bit limited. While it's nice to see that they offer PayPal as an option, the gift cards available tend to be for big box stores, and there's not always a lot of variety. The rewards can also take a while to be processed, so you might find yourself waiting longer than expected. Another thing to note is the frequency of surveys. While it's great when you're offered surveys, they don't always come in regularly. It's common to find that some weeks you'll get plenty of surveys, while other weeks there's just not much activity. For me, the lack of consistency made it hard to count on Ipsos I Say as a reliable source of income. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts. I used to face that problem too, until I discovered GiveMeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. In conclusion, Ipsos I Say is a decent survey site if you're looking for a way to earn a little extra cash or rewards in your spare time. However, it's not a full-time gig by any means, and if you're expecting quick payouts or a steady stream of surveys, you might be disappointed. The site could definitely benefit from a more consistent flow of surveys and a wider variety of rewards. Still, for casual survey takers, Ipsos I Say might be worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews of websites and apps that claim to help you make money online. Thanks for watching.